Thanks very much to everyone for the feedback about the €28,000 home we featured a few days ago in Biella, in Piedmont. That house is now off the market, so today we're featuring a similar house in the historic village of Lauria in Basilicata, which is listed for just €29,900. This 160 square metre fully furnished home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus an amazing panoramic terrace. From the living room balcony, there is also a wonderful view of the historic centre. The village is just 20 minutes from the sea and about 2 hours to Naples Airport. This is a quiet area which enjoys an excellent climate in the summer. More information can be found in the description below. Please let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more homes in this price range. And finally, welcome to all of our new subscribers. Your support is greatly appreciated.